So ladies and gentlemen, you're most welcome again. Today we are going to look at something very important, that is to say cut, copy and paste in Microsoft Excel. So when we want to do this, the difference between cut and copy is that cut will tell the computer to delete the content and keep the original, whereas copy will tell the computer to get a copy from the original and retain the original. So here is how it is done. We are going to get a sample of the employee Alex Bera, and then we are going to highlight this column. After that, I'll go ahead in the home tab and select the card. After that, I go and select where this information is going to be pasted. Where you see X paste, this one means I'm going to paste the information which has been cut. So select the cell, the initial cell, go ahead in the home tab and select paste. Click on paste, and then the information will be pasted. Now if you are to see what has happened here, I've already transferred the information from the column for employee, and then I've taken it to this column where I see X paste, and then I no longer have the original. What about copy? To copy information such as dates worked, I'm going to highlight all this information. After that, I go ahead and select copy in the home tab. Select the cell where I want to paste, C paste. Go ahead and command paste tool, and then the information will be pasted. But if you are to see what has happened here is that I have the copy pasted, but then I still have the original. That's why I said the difference between cut and copy is that for cut it deletes everything from the original, whereas copy retains the original. So that's how we do that in Excel. Thank you very much. Let's catch up in the next video.